Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play a YouTube video on the same page of your project using iframe tag. So first thing, we have to know what is iframe tag really is. The iframe tag in HTML stands for inline frame. The iframe tag defines a rectangular region within the document in which the browser can display a separate document, including scroll bar and borders. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. The src attribute is used to specify the URL of document that occupies the iframe. So guys, I have told you about what is iframe really is, but I'm going to show you by doing practically. So let's I'm gonna open this and let's save it. As iframe dot html and save it. And after this, HTML tag my YouTube video, and after this style tag and iframe padding 10px, margin 10px, and border 1px, solid blue, and after inside body tag it will be div tag, and here it will be style text align center, and under div tag it will be iframe src will be this. I'll play one of my YouTube videos. So width 560 pixels and height will be 315 pixels. Just save it and let's run this and let's see. So as you can see this guys, the page got loaded. Let's play and let's check if it is working or not.
Hold up.
Okay.
User name present by the last difference between
So as you saw this guys, the page got loaded and the video got successfully played. And one more thing guys, if you'll use this tag, make sure your network is already on, you're connected to Wi-Fi or any network which is providing you data, then only this tag will work. Your video will got played, or else it will show error or something. So that was just a note from me. So that is it, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.
ID and classes.
Hold up.